Aged companies are an often overlooked tool in the world of asset protection. An aged company is simply a company that was incorporated years previously so has an existing track record. There are many advantages of using aged companies not only to protect your assets but by using them for additional credibility that doesn't exist with a newly incorporated company. Aged companies can be from any jurisdiction onshore or offshore. The key is that they should have been incorporated for at least 3 years. So what are the use cases for these older companies? Sometimes it will have been agreed to transfer assets out of one company and into another with effect from an earlier date. This could be for asset protection, tax planning, or accounting reasons. In this scenario, an aged company would be essential. It may be possible to backdate an asset transfer by many years by all the parties to the contract agreeing that the transfer took effect from the earlier date, even although it was signed later. Aged companies are essential for this kind of complex transaction. The longer a company has been around, the more credibility it will have in the market, particularly in businesses where your potential customers don't know you personally. A company that's been established for 5 years or 10 years is always going to be more credible than a brand new company. Sometimes your company will need an established credit rating. This could be to sign up for a new lease, get a business credit card, or buy new vehicles. A company with an established credit rating is perfect for those situations. It can help you get your business started and reduce the amount of cash you have to find personally or from other investors. Aged companies can fill this gap as they will often come with years of previous accounts and positive credit ratings. Sometimes you won't have much time to form a new company, open a bank account, get a VAT number, and all the other things you need to do before you start trading. It's possible to get an aged company with a bank account, VAT number, and even merchant facilities already set up. Some aged companies will have incurred losses in prior years. If you have a profitable business, it can be possible to offset those profits against the money that the old company lost previously. Every country has different rules around this and it will require expert planning, but it's possible to save substantial amounts in tax by using aged companies to reduce the taxes of your profitable business. There can also be pitfalls using this kind of company. You must be careful to ensure that there are no historic liabilities. You don't want to be liable for any debts incurred before you acquired it. You must also make sure that it's in good standing with government agencies and check out the latest credit agency reports. Aged companies can be a useful tool for asset protection, tax minimization, and enhanced credibility. But it's important to get expert advice relating to your particular situation. Would you like to have safe, hidden, and untouchable wealth? Your Wealth Fortress is a free report from Liberty Mundo that will show you how you can protect your assets. You'll learn unique and valuable strategies for keeping your assets untouchable and untrackable by anyone. You could have millions, even billions of dollars, and nobody would know it, find it, or touch it. Not with a team of the best global lawyers, not with the most powerful government on their side. And when you die, it will pass quietly, unnoticed, and untaxed to your heirs. It's all detailed in our special report titled Your Wealth Fortress: Bulletproof Structures to Protect Your Assets. Please follow the link in the description to get instant access and start implementing the strategies to protect your assets.